How's it going, everybody? James, Online Car Show. Well, the video everybody's been waiting for. Got the carbon fiber key cover in, real carbon fiber. And at the end of this, I'm going to be giving it away in a contest, so be sure to check out the whole video and so you can get a chance to actually win this. Without hesitation, let's get this video started. Got a quick video for y'all today on a carbon fiber key cover for the 6th gen Chevrolet Camaro. If you are familiar, I did a video in the past with the red key showing you how you can acquire a red key for your Camaro, because the Dodge guys always go on and on about their red key, black key, blah blah blah. So I thought I would come out with a way that the Camaro guy could get him a nice painted carbon or painted key fob cover for their Camaro. I love this key fob. I get asked a lot of questions about it, and it seemed to be one of my more popular videos too. So I love the key fob and stuff. I reached out to the guy. He also said that he had a real carbon fiber key fob. So that's what we're going to review today in this video. Be sure to pay attention to the end. I'm going to do a contest at the end on how you can win this one that I'm actually reviewing. So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below, and please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future updates. Let's get into the unboxing. Before we do the unboxing here, just wanted to show off the other one that I use on a regular basis here on my key. As you can see, it is a cover that slips over and snaps in place. It's really nice glossy shine on that. I'm not sure if it's, I guess it would be painted on top of plastic. I did have a viewer ask if it was metal or plastic. It is plastic, and I don't think you can actually go with a metal one for the fact that it's got to transmit a signal through whatever medium's between it. So that's the reason you kind of want to lean toward plastic with these. You can see it's got some minor scratches, but I've had it now 4 or 5 months, being in my pocket and so forth. But real nice. I'm going to put another link to this in the description if y'all want to go check out. I think they come in multiple colors. Black, yellow, blue, the red. It doesn't match the Camaro red. It's more of the crystal red than the true red, or the pull me over red, I like to call it. Now for the unboxing of the real carbon fiber one. As you can see, it's shipped from China. I've had a couple complaints in the comments on the red key that it did take so long that they canceled their order and yada yada. Just know when you order this, it is going to take about a month for you to receive it. And wow, I've already got a little glimpse of the packaging here, and it looks really cool. So I'm gonna let y'all see this here. This is what was shipped. It came US mail from China, or some kind of China post to US mail. Look at that. Very nice packaging there. Really cool box that comes with it. It's almost like a carbon fiber looking box with the emblem here that says T-carbon. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what we got. Wow, look at that. That is pretty cool, and it's got little vent things on the side here, which mine didn't have. I think that's chrome that's there. Let's take a look at another key here. I don't really want to break the seal on this because I am going to be shipping it to the winner of the contest, so I'll leave that up to them. And but that's real carbon fiber, guys. If y'all want to take a look inside so you can see the see if I can get the light at all. Hope you get a shot of that. But really super light, so you can tell it's carbon. That is beautiful. It's got little indentation there. Seems to be, the quality seems to be a little bit better than the red key, but as you'll see in the price of this, it is kind of pricey, but again, it's hand-laid carbon fiber, so you're going to pay that for that kind of material. Gorgeous looking though. Wow. So as I mentioned, what this is going to do is it's going to slip over your key. But anyways, you can see here's your key right here, your stock GM 6th Gen Camaro. Now I've got a manual, so you won't see self-start on there. Your automatic guys, you'll have another button on here, but it's the same basic design, so the key fob will work on either one. As you can see here, this one is different because it's got actual cover over it that pops in place. This will do the same thing. It looks like it comes apart and then just simply presses and clips. Make sure when you push it down that it actually clips into place. But very nice. Wow, I'm impressed with that. Now I kind of wish I got it right or kept it. But the reason I'm doing this contest, and this is why I'm so happy about giving it away, I'm getting really close to that 2,500 mark on subscribers, and just to kind of push that along, and also to give back to you guys that have been following me and watching my videos, and being loyal to the community and all that, just to give something back to you guys, you know, for that support, and say how much I appreciate it. There will be another contest after this for the My Petrol Box, and it'll be a Petrol Box Premium. But let's go ahead and get to the contest. Now, for any of y'all that are interested in purchasing the real carbon fiber key fob cover, I'm going to have a link below in the description, as well as a link for the red key fob cover. So either one of those options, or the colored key, I should say. It's more colors than just red. But anyways, if you're looking for the contest and how the rules of this is going to work, it is a 100% legit contest. I'm going to give a share number, we'll call it. I've already emailed it actually to Zoraton, the Amazon store, for the carbon fiber and the red key. I've already emailed him the number of shares that I've picked, and I'm also going to share that with Bubba Blue and Hammer Down Motorsports, and also give them a quick shout out in this video. Y'all need to check out their channels. But anyways, I've already shared with them what share number I'm going to pick. And basically what I'm asking you to do is hit the like button, be the first thing. Hit subscribe would be the second thing. And the third thing is hit the share button. Now you can share this out to your Facebook, you can share this out to your Twitter account, you can share this out as a screenshot of the video on Instagram. It doesn't matter to me, each one. I'm going to monitor all three of those social media platforms. So be sure to share to one of those three, and to use the hashtag OnlineCarShow. Again, that's hashtag OnlineCarShow is one word. And be sure to include that in the post, so that way I can keep track of the post and whatnot. When that certain share number is hit, whoever's at that share, I will contact them through their social media platform, get their address and so forth to ship the carbon fiber key cover to. But again, this is a contest that I'm doing for you guys to say thank you so much, you know, for following me and what's been going on with the channel, being a part of the community. You know, you can reach me here. You can reach me at onlinecarshow.net. At OnlineCarShow on Twitter and Instagram. But good luck to all of y'all, and thank y'all so much again. Y'all have a wonderful week.